Chances are you're watching this video because you're looking for tips for Instagram marketing. Maybe you have your own business right now, or you want to start promoting something on Instagram and you want to know how to start gaining a targeted big following, get much more likes on your pictures, and really create a successful business. Well, my friend, if that's you, you're in the right place, because in this quick video, I'm going to share with you my 7 top tips to do just that. Okay, first off, my friend, if you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you, and I want you to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, so you never miss out on my top social media marketing tips and training. But that being said, I want to dive into the very first tip when it comes to Instagram marketing, and that is using a free app called Followers Insight. Now, what you want to do is you want to download Followers Insight, because on this app, you're going to get insights on what is working with your account. You know, it's going to share with you what are the top liked pictures that you've posted. You know, what pictures have gotten the most comments, what pictures have gotten the most engagement. The reason you want to know this information is you want to do what's working on your account. You want to just duplicate the types of posts, maybe the types of pictures, what was in the picture. And when you start to copy what's already working by using the insights on that app, you're going to be able to really start to see your engagement, your following, getting the lead flow in, and really start to create the client base and customer base that you truly want with Instagram. Okay, now tip number 2 is you want to stay on brand with your account. Now, what I mean by that is you want to ask yourself, what is the theme to your account? And if you don't have one, you want to decide on one and keep that theme consistent over all the pictures, all the videos, all the stories that you post to your Instagram. So many times I see people and they're posting on their Instagram, maybe they're in the health and fitness niche, and one day they do a good post, maybe they're shirtless, maybe they're showing a before and after picture of their results, and this gets a lot of good engagement. But then the next day they share a picture of their dog, or they share a picture of a baby. And what you have to realize is people are following your account for a specific reason. And if you're in that niche and you want to sell products to those people in that niche, you want to stay on topic. You want to think of your following and your Instagram as a theme. What niche and what theme is your account going for? And you want to make everything congruent and everything fit that theme. You know, maybe you have a color theme. Some people, you know, they post mostly black and white pictures, or if they're in the travel niche, they post a lot of bright, vivid pictures. Well, you wouldn't want to post something that's completely opposite that, because people aren't going to really know what you're doing. They're going to come to think this person isn't someone that really follows what they're doing. They don't know who they are, and I want to follow somebody that's more consistently branding themselves with a certain theme. Okay, so my second tip, define your theme and stick with it all throughout your account. So my third powerful Instagram marketing tip is you want to make your bio look clean and professional. And the way you can do that is you can actually make all the lines in one even paragraph. And the way you do that is you go into your notes app on your smartphone, and then you type out your bio there, hitting enter so all the lines line up. Then you can go ahead and copy and paste the bio from the notes app into the bio on your Instagram. Now, the reason you do that is because Instagram does not allow you to hit enter and go to the next line. So when you do it in your notes app, you'll be able to copy and paste it, and then it will look really clean, really professional, and really make it stand out compared to all the other people that are trying to market on Instagram. Okay, tip number 4 is using the characters app on an iPhone or symbols and characters on an Android. Now, what this app does, it allows you to access way more symbols and characters and text that you can actually use in your captions, in your bio, and really make it stand out and pop. This makes it way more than just the typical emojis you're going to find on a smartphone. Now, like I said, you can go into this app, you can go ahead and select one, and you can paste these into your bio, you can use them on captions, and when people see these, it's going to capture their attention more often, and they're going to be more interested in following you, liking your posts, and really wanting to work with you if you follow a lot of these other tips I'm going to continue sharing in this video. Okay, now the 5th powerful Instagram marketing tip is using an app called Planoly. Now, what this app will allow you to do is it will allow you to post an Instagram photo to your profile so you can see what it's going to look like without actually making it live to all your followers. Now, like I covered in another tip, keeping brand congruency, making everything a theme is very crucial when it comes to Instagram marketing success. So what this will allow you to do is actually get a bird's eye view and see what it will look like with all your other pictures. And if it doesn't go with the other pictures, if it doesn't fit that theme, then you're not going to really want to post that. You want to keep everything in a theme, all the colors looking together. Make it look really good so when someone hits your profile for the first time and they're deciding on following you, when they look through all your pictures, it looks like a cohesive theme, and they're going to be more likely to follow you. Now, real quick though, if you're watching this video and you're like, Garrett, this is incredible, but I don't exactly know what types of pictures to post. Well, actually, at the link below, for a limited time only, I'm sharing a free guide where I literally reveal my RVL formula. It's a 3-step simple formula that you can use to always know the exact type of pictures and videos to post to get tons of leads and consistent sales on your profile. So if you haven't gotten access to that guide and you want to know exactly what to post every single day to get tons of business results, go to the link below and get it while it's still available. Okay, tip number 6 is very powerful. Now, the 6th tip is posting time. How do you know when to actually post your picture? Because people are on all different times of the day, and if you really start to learn when you can post, you're going to ensure that you get the best chance to get the most likes, the most engagement and exposure for your brand, your product, or your service. So how do we do this? Well, if you're a business Instagram profile, if you have it set up as a business account, you can actually go on there and go into the business statistics. Now, this is a section on your Instagram profile where you can actually see what times that you've posted in the past have worked the best, and you can simply duplicate that. So for example, maybe 3 p.m. on Wednesday is a really good day that you can post. Well, you want to post some of your best pictures and videos during that time. Now, if you don't have the business profile available, what you can actually do is you can stick to a schedule for yourself, okay? So I would decide on maybe early morning, afternoon, and night. That's when a lot of people are on, and you want to pick a section and a time that you can stick to and consistently post on that time. The reason is, as you stick to those set times, people are going to come to know your posts are coming. They're going to come to expect your posts, and then you're going to start to notice your engagement significantly increase over time. So either use the business statistics app, find out the best time to post, start posting on those times, or just pick some times that you can be consistent with, and your followings will start to come to expect that. Okay, number 7, my final Instagram marketing tip for you is right before you post your next Instagram picture or video, you want to start to engage with your following right before you do that. So about 20 to 30 minutes before you post your next thing, your post, you want to go through and you want to comment, like, and engage with the people that are following you and the people that you're following. The reason you want to do this is because you're going to be on their radar. So you're going to start to build this momentum, and in Instagram's algorithm will come to know, okay, this person's engaging with these people. I think they're alike. I want to show them that picture or video when you post. So when you go to post after you've engaged with those people, they're going to be more likely to come check out your profile, check out your pictures, and you're really going to get that traction and momentum to truly get your business up and running. Now, another thing, a bonus tip you want to do is you always want to reply to your comments. As you're getting these comments coming in through applying these powerful tips in this video, you want to engage. Take the time to reply to your comments. This is going to share and build that relationship, so in the future they will more likely to comment again, like your pictures, follow you, and potentially even work or buy from you, okay? So you want to always engage with your following, build that group, engage with them, and they're going to come to know, like, and trust you, so you can really create the success you truly want. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed my 7 top tips for Instagram marketing. If you did, be sure to smash that like button. Also, subscribe if you're not already, so you never miss out on my next powerful training video. Is going to be coming with a lot more soon. Also, last but not least, if you really are serious about taking your business to the next level with Instagram, Go ahead, click the link below and get access to my free guide revealing my secret RVL posting formula so you always know the exact type of pictures and what to post to get way more leads and convert sales very easily, okay? So go ahead and get access to that now while it's still available, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.